looking nice today.
You are looking mighty handsome. Although you have all this marker on your face. You should move up to the camera and show them what you did to your face today. I guess, if you like it, I love it. Hello, everyone. I'm Mariah.
I'm Jaden.
And welcome to our channel, Super Sporadic.
Like dreams do come true.
So, in today's video, we will be officially giving a tour of Zoe Z. Fully naked, right? I would like to do a haul of everything that I bought for her. And I would also like to decorate her. But I don't know if I'm going to get that all done today. But I am going to be doing the tour today. So you guys will be able to see what she looks like. I think I'm going to put this whole video together. So you might see this, you know, like maybe, I don't know. Listen, I don't know how it's going to work, but I plan on getting it all done today. But I need to get off this video right now because me and Jayden are starving. He was at school all day. You know, I want to say that I'm super proud of Jayden because he has been doing excellent on his online schooling. And he is learning his timetables. I don't want to put him out there, though. I was going to give him a little timetable to be like, what's such and such plus such and, what's such and such time such and such. You ready for one of those? Can I give you one?
Yeah.
All right. So what is 5 times 3?
So let's do this. So I got 5, 10, 15, 15.
Oh, okay. So let's give you another one. What's 5 times 8?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Wait, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40.
Hey, all right, ready? So listen, I'm gonna go get Zoe ready because she's in rare form right now. Not right now. You're not getting ice cream right now.
They're going to see you when we go. So first I want to show you how to sing. How you turn it on. There's a button right here. As y'all can see my hands on it. There you go. Right there. Then you turn the water on. Right. 1, 2. Oh, just remember to wash your hands for 20 seconds.
I will never leave beside my love. Standing right beside you is enough. Call on me if you feel any pain. Talk to me, I want you again. You can count on me, and I can count on you. You show up like I show up, and I keep showing up for you. So take my hand, don't be afraid. Just push your fast, just push your fast, and we'll get through it all together. We'll get through it all together. Where you're safe, just push your fast, just push your fast, just push your fast, and we'll get through it all together. We'll get through it all together. Let's up, let's up, let's up, let's up, let's up, let's up. We'll get through it all
I
together.
bet it took me all day to freaking finish this thing. Wait till y'all see what it looked like when it just didn't look like this. Oh my God.
What it looked like.
It was giving me a headache and I was screaming and I was like, Jayden, you better do this and you better do that. I'm such a fucking hoarder. Like, I swear for the life of me, I've been trying to get rid of shit and put it in storage, but it's so fucking hard. And it's like every time I get rid of some shit, I find some more shit. And it's like, you know what? I'm not done yet. You know, I thought I was gonna be done, but I'm not done. I'm just not fucking done. I don't even know if this is gonna make the clip, but I'm not done yet. But I'm still leaving, so what the fuck? It doesn't matter. Right?
And Cody.
And Cody. What about Cody?
He's my favorite teddy bear. Say hi, Cody. Hi, guys.
Oh my goodness, you want to see my belly? Oh, I'm not ashamed of my stretch marks now. surrender. I had this on for 2 days just to let y'all know.
Mom.
I'm ready to eat. All right, Jay, we got to put this stuff away so we can get out of here. Our home is beautiful. Fuck
Beautiful.
y'all. What y'all, listen, for all the haters, we love y'all too. Y'all thought that we was going, y'all thought y'all was going to get some drama? I don't think so. Period. Welcome to our home. All right, y'all ready to see it? Should we show them?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. She is a masterpiece. Okay. Look at her. I think when like my whole journey is all over, like I was making up some long-term goals for myself, and to be an interior decorator is on my list. Okay. I think I could put the lights on now so y'all can see what she looks like with the lights. Open it up. Okay. A little junky, but not really. Look, we got a little gaming thing. Stuff we're gonna use. Some candles, some sage, a little thing to burn my incense, some hats for when it gets cold outside, a little lap desk, you know what I'm saying? Put the cushion on your legs. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. How beautiful. Pillows and snow cover. You know what I'm saying? Let me get on it. And me and Junior have 2 beds. Okay? Because there was another cushion, but I left it at my mom's, and we're too far from home now to even consider going back and getting it. So I considered this as us having 2 little twin beds. Jaden's clothes, little pants, little shirts, some little sneakers and hiking boots over there. Sorry, some underwears and stuff in there. There we go. You can put it down back here. We got our little dish rags. We got our little bowls. I mean our plates. I'm sorry. Some knives, little water cups, some little plastic usable bags to put stuff in. Can opener I haven't opened yet. A mug, Jaden's mug, so cute. My mug. Yeah, okay. And we got some. You know, I'm not showing you everything like that right now. Okay, y'all see enough. Y'all see the stuff when I hang some more willow leaves up. There are my good little tampons and stuff. I put a knife in there because I have yet to buy a pair of scissors when I'm cutting stuff. So I'm using that knife for now. A whole bunch of little knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a dome bone things in there to hang stuff up. Yes, this little middle part when we're not back here sleeping or doing anything. Oh, stepped on Cody's face. Here is all the things that sit in the middle or what have you. Right, Jaden's homework stuff, my little stuff, our gallons of water, of course. Distilled, of course. You know what I'm saying? We got the little distilled water. You know what I'm saying? We know we gotta have our little candle stands. Oops. We gotta have our little candle stands. I couldn't leave those behind. So my clothes are in these little bins here. This one, and then this one, right? These are my pants, and these are my shirts. Little jackets that we use right now. I think I should put that one away. Our robes, Jaden's robe and my robe. Yeah, another jacket for Jaden. I need to hang one up there for me. Anyway, yeah, and some more stuff. Here's the trash can. If you want to know what that was. Trash can. This is something to carry my yoga mat. And this is, in here are like some stuff for when I'm cooking. I'll show you that stuff, but not right now. My little room and dustpan, antenna for when we're in areas that like our Wi-Fi isn't working and we can get some signal. So this is our little home. God bless the home. Praise God.
Nothing in this world could ever bring them down. Yeah, they're invincible, and she's just in